I consider Mainz a special place because being here for over 2 years, it's definitely a wonderful place where you can find the support you're looking for.
The combination of the professors and the environment, like the vibe, other local places didn't quite have the right fit for me. And I knew Mainz would give me a great education, so it was a no-brainer.
Mainz came out of top search because it was small and I wanted to do science and engineering.
The people surrounding me are very friendly and really easy. I'm really eager to understand, especially for me as an international student.
Just the community and the atmosphere of the campus. People just always want to talk about super smart things, or it'll just come out of nowhere all the time, and it's so fun.
People are really here invested in what they do, and you can sense that.
It's just the people, the students, and also the faculty that is, there is a lot of knowledge here, there's a lot of research opportunities.
One of the best parts of grad school has probably been the opportunities I have to work in all the research labs and do hands-on experimenting.
Being here where people are welcome and open for you to teach you something, to tackle the problem together, I think is very important. I got to tackle problems and look at them from different perspectives.
Probably the most enjoyable aspect from my experience was being able to communicate directly with the industry and understand and make my research really applicable. What I hope to do with my PhD is to actually continue bridging that gap between industry and research.
The best part for me was growing as a professional or as someone who's able to be self-directed in the problems that they're addressing and how to do research in an area that you are now the expert in.
I really like the project I'm working on. It's the most meaningful thing for me to do because it can help people.
What Mainz does to really enable students is they make it a challenge.
It is a very motivated environment.
Every professor I've ever talked to have just really caring about you. They always want you to learn really well. They always want you to succeed and develop. This way you're building innovative engineers. This is what really makes Mainz innovative.
Whatever we face in the future, the background that we have will help us.
To be an auditor is to kind of think outside of yourself and really understand the community you're trying to serve, I think, and to also appreciate the community that you're around and kind of learn from them as well.
Anyone, anywhere at Mainz has a connection somewhere, so just knowing anyone here opened up so many pathways that I wouldn't have ever expected.
You can become a part of this community very easily and do and explore new things. This is wonderful for personal balanced life, for academic balanced life.
Interactions between students and professors and all these groups.
This connections in networking also help my development in the future.
The biggest thing that I've learned and that I'll take away is make sure your scope is wide enough. That's what's going to make a Mainz graduate unique. We bring in all those other perspectives.
I learned so much, and I can't even believe that I'm leaving with 2 degrees in graduate school in School of Mainz, which is an honor. With all my knowledge, I'm ready to find a job, be the best, develop, innovate, and make the world a better place.
I came to Mainz naive, and I am leaving confident and well prepared.
I came to Mainz full excitement, and I'm leaving Mainz with actually more excitement.
I feel very welcome and supportive, and what I'm going to do is have a chance to give back to the Mainz community.
I would say that I'm leaving Mainz still ambitious, but courageous and excited and unafraid of what's in front of me, and I feel like this school really prepared me well for my future.